In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply different color to text in headings in Elementor. First, let's get into the WordPress side of things. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to style your heading with different colors. Hover your mouse over that page title, and from the options that appear underneath, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor for that specific page. Inside the Elementor editor, we'll be working with a text editor widget because it gives us more flexibility and an easy way to switch into HTML or code mode. On the left panel, search for Text Editor and drag that widget into the section where you want your heading to appear, or click an existing text editor widget if you already have one there. Now, by default, the text editor widget is usually treated like a paragraph, but we want it to behave like a heading. In the widget settings on the left, look for the HTML tag dropdown. Click that and choose the heading level you want, such as H1 through H6. This tells browsers and search engines that this text is an actual heading, which is important for both structure and SEO. Next, we'll switch to the code editor so we can apply different colors to specific words. In the text editor widget, look at the top right corner of the text area and click on the Text or Code tab. You'll now see the HTML version of your heading. To color individual words, wrap each word or phrase you want to style inside a span tag with an inline style. For example, you might write something like, "My awesome heading." You can replace red with any color name or use a hex code like Nammarchen F0 for more precise colors. Each word or phrase you want in a different color gets its own span, each with its own style attribute and color value. After adding your spans and colors, look at the preview area in the center or right side of the screen. You should now see your heading with different words showing in different colors. If something doesn't look right, go back into the code editor and double check that your span tags are opened and closed properly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the bottom or top of the Elementor panel and click Update if the page already exists, or Publish if it's a new page. That's it. Your multicolored heading is now live on your site.